Spending a fortune on luxury skincare products and facials is not the only option we have when it comes to getting younger, more youthful looking skin. There are some great, inexpensive, all-natural facial treatments you can create right at home that can deliver the same or even better benefits, and I'm sharing one of my most popular ones ever in today's video. Well, hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are in the kitchen because I'm going to be sharing how to make a super anti-aging mask that I used to do on television. It was very popular when I did such things back in the day. Anyway, this mask is super effective and it continues to be extremely popular, especially over on the Skin So Fabulous blog. Now, if you're not a part of that, you should check that out. There's a link below in the video description box. And if you're new and don't know who the heck I am, I'm Chris. I'm a skincare expert and I'm here to help you find skincare that will work for you, not empty your wallet and not do you more harm than good. So if this is the kind of content you've been looking for on YouTube, be sure and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when my new videos are up every week. Okay, so let's jump in. This super anti-aging mask is made with avocado, honey, and oatmeal or oats. It helps to exfoliate the skin. It leaves your skin deeply, deeply hydrated. It helps control minor acne breakouts. It's great for dry skin, combination skin, sensitive skin. It even helps lighten and fade dark spots, brightening your overall complexion, and it is extremely easy to make and it's cheap. So let's talk about what you're going to need. First, you're going to need oatmeal, or if you're lazy like me, you can use oat flour. You can use organic rolled oats, but you're going to need to grind those up in a food processor in order to get the texture refined enough to use in this particular type of mask. Again, I'm a really lazy guy in the kitchen, so I'm using organic oat flour that's already done and ready for me. And obviously you're going to need an avocado, and it needs to be ripe. If it's too hard or unripe, it will not whip up and be the consistency that you need it to be a facial mask. And you're going to need a teaspoon or so of honey. It can be store-bought honey, it can be natural raw honey, you can use Manuka honey, whatever your proclivity is, organic honey, it's up to you. But this is a very important component of the anti-aging effects of this particular mask. And a teaspoon of olive oil. Now you can use coconut oil. I'm not a fan of coconut oil because it can be comedogenic and block some pores. If you have acne, I suggest you stick to olive oil, or you can use jojoba oil. Now what all of these ingredients bring to the table is the oatmeal helps to exfoliate and soothe and smooth the skin. The avocado is full of monounsaturated fatty acids, which we talk about on the channel all the time, vitamin E and vitamin C, which speak for themselves in their anti-aging effects on the skin. Honey has clarifying properties for the skin, helping to decongest the pores, and it's antibacterial. So again, this helps if you're someone who suffers from mild acne or acne breakouts. So it has anti-aging effects and it has anti-acne effects. And the olive oil helps balance out oil production on the skin. It's very similar to the sebum or oil we naturally produce. And it boosts collagen and elastin production, helping to prevent those fine lines and wrinkles. So when I call this a super-powered, anti-aging, home, do-it-yourself, make yourself look young and beautiful mask, I mean it. All right, so again today I'm using oat flour, which you want to put in a bowl. Now if you're not using oat flour that's already ground up, you can grind your oats up in a food processor, but they need to be the consistency of cornmeal. You don't want the grain texture of the oats to be too large because then it's not releasing the beneficial ingredients onto your skin. And we want the oatmeal to help bind this mask together. Next, we're going to pit and scoop the avocado. And the way to do this properly is to just go around the avocado all the way, try to meet the line, do better than I am, and then you just pull the avocado apart. The way you put an avocado is to put the knife into the avocado, turn it, and the seed comes right out. Thank you, Martha Stewart, for teaching me how to do this with an avocado perfectly. Then you just want to scoop that ripe avocado out into the bowl like so. Often ripe avocado has a little bit of dark spots or areas in it, and that's perfectly fine. It doesn't hurt anything. And then of course next, the teaspoon of honey. Really simple to do. Again, you can use store-bought honey, you can use Manuka honey, organic honey, local honey, whatever you want to do. They all have similar properties. I never waste the honey, it's so good. If you decide to use Manuka honey, it does have more skin boosting collagen building benefits than regular honey because it is more concentrated and it's raw. But any type of honey you decide to use is going to work just fine in this particular mask. And then we want to add our olive oil, which again, if you have sensitive, super dry skin, the olive oil goes a really long way to helping improve that problem. Now you can mash this up with a fork like I'm doing here if you wish, or if you're lazy like me, you can do it this way, which is just faster, just a lot faster. As you can see, that consistency is great. Now you do want to apply this mask to dry, clean skin, and you want to leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it away with warm water and pat your skin dry. It's perfectly fine to apply a moisturizer afterwards if you want to, but you're going to find this a very refreshing, very effective skincare mask that costs about $5 to make. You could use this mask every day, but really all is necessary 1 to 2 times a week is going to give you the benefits that you're looking for. You can refrigerate the leftovers, but it's avocado, it turns brown, so it's better to just make up a fresh batch when you get ready to use it. And please, by all means, label it if you do save it in the refrigerator. Or you're gonna be like that show I was on where the television host didn't label this and her husband came in and thought it was guacamole. Yeah, not tasty at all. And for even more information on how to get your best, youngest, healthiest looking skin ever, be sure to check out the video that is coming up right here. It's going to be of great help to you. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please hit like and let me know if you want me to do more videos like this in the future in the comment section below, and I'll do them. Love you guys, stay beautiful, and I will see you over on that next video.